Hi, I'm Lynn Batalden. I'm the owner of Creative Therapeutics, and I'm excited to announce that we are going to be presenting a 4-part series called Core Concepts. By now, most people have heard about core exercises and incorporated it into some part of their exercise routine, but this series goes deeper. We're going to teach you how to get more out of your core workouts and more quality out of your life. My talk is about the core and breathing. There's new research that shows that the respiratory diaphragm is one of the first muscles to fire up when the body encounters a core demand. It's complicated, but I'm going to simplify it and explain it to you within an hour, and we're going to do a lot of simple exercises so you can experience your core and your respiratory diaphragm. We're going to be learning some breathing exercises, but there's nothing difficult in the movements and in the postures we'll be doing for this particular class. So I hope you all can make it for this class and for all 4 of the core concepts.